Hi, so today I want to share with you how to make the class app or hub that some of you may have seen online or some Facebook groups. It functions similar to a Bitmoji classroom, but it's targeted to parents or older students or for teachers who just prefer this cleaner app-like look. So this sample here, as you can see, has these different icons that when clicked on will take the user to different information. So in this example here, if I click on the calendar, I will go to this calendar page and I can click back up here on my home page and then click on something else. For example, this newsletter, it will take me to a blank page here and I click back on home and I'm back on this main page. Video today, we will just be covering how to make the first slide, the basic layout for your class app or hub. I am going to be making this layout in this video. If you have experience making Bitmoji classrooms, you know how to make the subsequent slides and how to link them back to this main slide. If you don't know how to do that, I can make another video to show you. But again, for today, we're just going to cover how to make this first slide. So the first step is to create a new slide presentation in your Google Drive. When you have that open, you're going to resize the slides, and you're going to do that by going here to File, scrolling down to Page Setup, and you're going to change this here to Custom. You're going to make that 9 by 14 inches. Here changes the shape of your slides, and it just helps to better see them in a mobile format like a phone or a tablet. You're then going to move into customizing your slides. So you want to start by changing the layout and making that blank, and you can choose a background. I'm just going to do a simple solid blue here, and you're going to start customizing this as it best suits your needs. So in my example here, I just have the title of the class and I have 9 boxes for 9 icons, so to speak, and an announcement here at the bottom. So you can make as many boxes as you need. We'll just go ahead and do 4 here in our sample. So I'm going to insert my header at the very top. I can do that in any of these shapes. I'm just going to do a simple rectangle here and just adjust that however you choose. So here's the background to the header, and I'm going to insert a text box over this white rectangle so I can type in the title of my class or my room number or school name. Here, and then maybe you want to center it, go bold, make it a little bigger so it's more legible. So here you have just the header, the title of that page. Then you're going to make the boxes for the icons if that's what you prefer, or you can just have icons. It's really up to you how you want to customize this. So I'm going to just go with like this version I have here. I have the background box and then I have little icons that I put on top of it. So let's go ahead and make some more boxes here. We'll do 4. And you want these to be kind of big so that when you see them in the display version, they are easy to find and click on. So make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to just copy and paste a few on here. And give myself some more space here at the bottom. So here I have just 4 boxes, which are going to be my 4 icons or links that the parents can click on to send them to different information. And this version here that I have also has an announcement, so you can do that by adding another box at the bottom. Again, just a simple rectangle shape at the bottom here, depending on how big you want it to be. And I added another shape on top of that to give this little announcements header. So I'll show you, you just layer another shape right on top here. That is not it. You do that by layering another shape. So I'm going to click on this rectangle again. And this should be right about here. And you can change the color. We'll make it, let's make it this orange color here at the top. Okay, so now you have your basic layout for your intro. You're gonna then choose how you want to customize these squares. I'm gonna show you how to insert pictures to give it that little icon look like I have on the sample here. I'm gonna go by insert, image, search the web. You might have some already saved on your computer. You can look up some on the internet and save them, then insert from your drive. I'm just using the ones here provided by the Google image search. So the first one I want to do is school. So I already have school clip art pulled up here. And I'm going to search some under there. I like this one. So let's insert that. Okay, and we're going to resize it to fit in our box. It's going to be smaller than this. And then I'm going to do a calendar. I just insert those quickly. These are not working. And this messes. So I inserted that calendar picture. I'm going to make that my second icon over here. Just resize it to fit. The next is I'm going to make a about me. So I'm going to see if there's anything under this. Let's look for a teacher cover. Okay, that sounds good. I'm going to insert that, and you're going to resize it, make it smaller so it fits in your square. And the last one, we're going to put a links. So I'll put a laptop, put some links on that last slide. I like this one. These are not the cutest or the funnest pictures. So again, you can always look for some on your own by doing a quick Google search, or maybe you have some saved already. So here we go. This is now starting to look more like my other version that I have here. And I'm going to go and give each of these a name now so that parents know what each one is. So this first square, I'm going to link to our school website. So I'll title it school website. And make it maybe a little bit bigger so it shows up better. There we go. So that's our first icon. And I'm going to copy this over and then change it for each box that I have. Let's all name our calendar. And again, just copying and pasting and changing the names for each one. This I'll make an About Me page. And then this last one, I will make a fun links page. Okay, so each of these is going to go somewhere once I make them into links. I'm going to make this bottom in announcements. So again, we're going to insert another text box over this orange rectangle we added earlier. And you put that as announcements. Hold it, a little bit bigger. All right, there you go. So here is our finished product. This is the first page for our class app or hub. All we did was create the layout, added the pictures and the text. If you are interested in learning how to make the subsequent slides and linking them, I can make another video, but I hope this was helpful in getting you started. You can always go in and customize, change background colors, change pictures, and make it more suitable to your needs.